Hello everyone. Thank you so much for liking my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and also sharing my videos forward. For all those who are hearing me now, I am Dr. Aditi Bhatnagar. I am a homeopathic physician, a homeopathic pediatrician and a spiritual coach. Homeopathy has gained a lot of popularity during these COVID times, during the pandemic. It really warms my heart to see people opening up to the beautiful remedies, the beautiful cures that homeopathy can give you. I myself have given my patients immunity builders for COVID, also preventives for COVID, according to their constitution, according to the tendencies that they have. These are personal consultations where homeopathy can help you, taking into account your tendencies. For example, if you are prone to GI complaints, that is stomach issues, then we can make a preventive. We can give you an immunity builder which will strengthen your GI system or your stomach, your gut. At the same time, if you have a tendency for frequent cough and cold, homeopathy can help you strengthen your respiratory system and also build immunity against the virus. Yes, we do have remedies for that. Not only that, during COVID times also, we can help you, we can assist the allopathic medicines to bring about faster resolution of the case. And the most important thing, we all know that post COVID, people do have a lot of weakness, people do have a lot of tiredness, lethargy. I have seen a lot of people go through mood swings, depression also. There might be loss of appetite as well. Please do take the help of homeopathy, of this wonderful science which can help you recover faster than you even think. Homeopathy has wonderful remedies, wonderful medicines, but the important part is that you need to consult your homeopath. It can be done easily online, because these days you can always send all your reports, your discharge certificate. If you've been in the hospital, you can consult with the physician, and couriers go everywhere across the globe. You can get homeopathic remedies right at your doorstep. So do consider homeopathy as one very strong pillar of support, which is going to help you recover from all the uh, side effects, you can say, or the post effects of COVID, which can be anything and everything. Do consult your homeopath right now. Stay safe, stay protected. Just because we have had one dose or two doses of the vaccination does not mean that we throw caution to the winds and we move out freely. Please do take care, because COVID is yet to go completely, and we are yet to completely understand how this virus works. So till that time, we need to mask up, we need to keep on sanitizing ourselves, our hands. If we go out, come back and do what is needed. Yeah. Have a great day. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Bye bye.